Eyeliner can completely transform your look. With the right styles, you can enhance your features and create a lifted, defined effect. Today I'm sharing top 5 eyeliner styles which is perfect for every eye shape. Whether you're going for something bold, soft, or ultra sleek, there's a look for you. And trust me, the last eyeliner is going to surprise you. So stay with me till the end. Before diving into eyeliner techniques, it's important to understand the shape of your eyes. Whether it is hooded or it is deep set, well, it's pretty easy. Look straight to the mirror, and if your eyelid is hidden under a fold of a skin, then you have hooded eyes. And if it's not hidden and it is like this, then you have deep set eyes. I myself have partially hooded eyes, and if you guys have hooded eyes, it's important to pay attention and to keep everything very small and precise to prevent the eyeliner getting lost under your fold. First eyeliner type that I'm going to talk about right now is tightline, and it is a kind of invisible eyeliner, and it's actually perfect for hooded eyes, and it's somehow so much natural and no one can realize that you're having any kind of eyeliner on your eye. And for drawing tightline eyeliner, it's better to use pencil liners because it's easier to control. And gently lift your upper eyelid and then apply your pencil liner on your upper waterline. As you can see, this eyeliner is invisible and it is as if that I have done nothing to my eyes. This is it. And you can complete your look with mascara. Next eyeliner style is basic eyeliner. The basic eyeliner is very simple and is drawn very closely to your upper lash line. This eyeliner defines your eyes without making it too thick. Let's go for it. So I'm gonna use my gel eyeliner and I use my Graph makeup brush and I draw a very thin line close to my upper lashes. This is the basic liner. Actually, there's no need to extend the line outward and inward. You can also use liquid liners as well. And here's the look. Now I'm gonna go with my mascara to show you the final look of this eyeliner. Next eyeliner is Foxy Eye. The Foxy eyeliner is really beautiful, and this style focuses on a sharp outer wing and a subtle inner corner extension, creating the illusion of almond-shaped eye. Start by drawing a small wing at the outer corner horizontally. Remember to extend the inner corner downward and to extend the outer corner wing straight, and then all you have to do is to connect these two lines together. This is the Foxy Eye, and for added drama I apply some extra lashes at the outer corners. Next eyeliner style is a Smokey eyeliner, which I'm totally excited about because I love everything about a smoky eyes. So what we have to do is to create a triangle at the outer corner, and if you don't know what is the triangle method, check out my video on cat eyeliner. And after creating your small triangle at the end or at the outer corner of your eyes, you should use an eyeliner brush and try to blend the eyeliner into your eyelid to create a smoky effect. And try to do that as soon as possible before it gets dry. No sharp edges is needed here, and everything needs to be blended. And this is also perfect for hooded eyes because, as you can see, it is not precise eyeliner, it is a blended eyeliner. And I'm gonna complete my smoky eyeliner with mascara. Last eyeliner style that I'm going to teach you today is negative space eyeliner or graphic eyeliner, a modern eyeliner which is perfect and beautiful. But how to achieve that? Begin with a small precise line at your inner corner and then extend it along your upper lash line. After that, create a wing. So I extend my line up and outward, like this. When I reach this, I curve it back to the center of my eyelid. Remember to create a horizontal line. And that's it. That is the negative space eyeliner. I know that you might find this kind of eyeliner a little bit tricky, but remember, with practice, everything is possible. You can also add a shimmery shadow to fill the negative sparse. It's time to add some drama. And there you have it, a graphic eyeliner. These 5 eyeliner styles are perfect for bringing out the best for hooded eyes and deep set eyes, whether you're keeping it subtle or going all out with a bold wing. The right technique can truly transform your look. If you're interested in part 2 with 5 more eyeliner styles, then let me know in the comments. And tell me what is your favorite eyeliner style. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe me for more updates ahead. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!